Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World Videos. In this video, we discuss solutions to Part C, that is Mathematics, for the 2016 JEE Mains paper. We will be following the test booklet code E. 72. Now 72 is a pretty standard expression. You should know what this is. We are talking about tan inverse of root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. So I'll just quickly show you where it comes from. This ultimately ends up being equal to pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is a standard identity, but let's just derive it. It's not that hard. So root of 1 plus sin x by 1 minus sin x. What we'll do is 1 we'll write it as sin square x by 2 plus cos square x by 2 in both the numerator and denominator, and sin x we'll write as 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. So what we'll get is a square plus b square plus 2ab, and in the denominator a square plus b square minus 2ab, or a plus b whole squared by a minus b whole squared, and the root of that will give me a plus b by a minus b. So this is cos x by 2 plus sin x by 2 by cos x by 2 minus sin x by 2. And this is obviously 1 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan x by 2, which can be written as tan pi by 4 plus tan x by 2 by 1 minus tan pi by 4 tan x by 2, which becomes tan of pi by 4 plus x by 2. This is the term inside the bracket, so tan inverse of that obviously is pi by 4 plus x by 2. Right, if you are talking between 0 and pi by 2, the value of x is between 0 and pi by 2. And now this is quite easy. So this is the function y of x is equal to x by 2 plus pi by 4. We want the normal at x is equal to pi by 6. So dy by dx is 1 by 2, which means the slope of this line is 1 by 2, which means the slope of the normal is minus 2, which means the equation will be y minus y naught is equal to minus 2 times x minus x naught. And what are x naught and y naught? We are given that it is pi by 6. So x naught is pi by 6 and y will be pi by 12 plus pi by 4 will be pi by 3. So this comes out to be y plus 2x is equal to this is positive pi by 3 and this is positive pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3. And you can just put in the 4 options and see which one of these is valid. 0, 0 is obviously not valid. If x is 0, y is 2 pi by 3, so option 2 is correct. If y is 0, x is pi by 3, which is not any of the other options, 3 or 4. So the answer will simply be option 2. This completes the solution. Thank you.